Okay, hi. I'm gonna do the clickable number box images. So I'm gonna do this now. Okay, so Windows form should be here. Let's clickable box image. Is that the clickable number images or something? Okay, clickable number images. Okay, create. Okay, so here on that form, I'm gonna change it to number. Okay, now before that, I'm gonna go here and I need to go for seven things. So five, four, one, two, three. These are the things. Oh, sorry. I think I have it on my download files. Let me see. Uh, Now, download should be. No, these are not here. So I'll be going back here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so these are the pictures. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, these are pictures again. Let me see number 5. It is here. Okay, 4, 3, 2. Now let me go to the tutorial and I'll just follow the tutorial and then I'll just do one by one steps because a lot of things probably I know, but I don't want to make any mistakes.
And now let's go ahead and place the first picture box control. Remember that the picture box control is found under the common controls in the toolbox. And right there it is. I'll just double click.
Okay, here. Common control. Is there any picture box control here or something?
Remember that the picture box control is found under the student sample program files and get these images. Okay, well let's switch over to Visual Studio and let's work on the application. Okay, so I've already started a new project. I named it Clickable Number Images. And here I have the applications form. Let's go ahead and change the text in the title bar. Let's just change it to Clickable Number Images. And now let's go ahead and place the first.
Let me see. Clickable number images. I have common controls here. But why it didn't show me all the controls here?
the first picture box control. Remember that the picture box control is found under the common controls in the toolbox, and right there it is. I'll just double click picture box and I'll pull it away from the edge of the form just a bit, and at this point I'm not going to worry about trying to resize the picture box or name the use in the textbook. Name the picture box control. The current name, as you can see, is picture box 1. Let's change that so that it fits more the convention that we use in the textbook. I'm going to change that to 1 picture box.
Really? We have to do this? Anyway. So, picture box. I'll just put it, and now we're gonna change it into name. Where's the name? One box. One picture box.
And let's find the image property. Go ahead and select the image that we're going to use. Remember that we have to import the images that we're going to use for the picture box controls. And we will navigate to the location where the student sample program files are located. We'll go to the images folder. We'll go to the numbers folder. And here are the images that we're going to use. And I'll give you a tip here at this point that you can go ahead and import all of these images. I'm just going to select the first one, and then I'll hold down the Shift key and select the last one, and then I'll click the Open button. And notice that we have imported all of the images, and of course the one that we're looking for this picture box is the 1 image. Okay, so we have selected the image, but we need to change the size mode property. We want to select auto size so that the picture box automatically sizes itself to the size of. I'll rename it. So now let's create the second one. Okay, so there's the next picture box control. I will rename. Got all the images imported. We just select the 2 image, click OK. We'll go to the size mode property, and we will select auto size, and there's the 2 image. Okay, so we'll just 1 and of course a semicolon at the end. Double click the 1 picture box, and that switches us to the code editor.
Okay, let me jump into cover letter. Let me work on this. So 1 picture box. So after that, what? Now with the image section. Let me see if they have any other image section here. Okay, import downloads. Let me do this. No, let me do this first and shift. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is for one. So I'll just do one and this, and after that, the size. I can see the size section. This is not the size. The size model. Size mode should be auto size here. Now you did. Uh, go to the picture box again. Okay, so just go to the properties, image, location. No, where is the image section? Here, this is, oh, before that you change the box name, name of the box, to picture box. This is what should do. Yeah, I mean, it's very strange. Uh, this is two picture box. Sorry about the language. So I just somehow just said that my the country language somehow just came to. I'll just do it to number two. Uh, where is the size section? Size mode should be all size. I don't need too much bigger. Picture box. Okay, picture box. 2, 3, 4. Picture box. 5. Okay. Auto size. Image should be. Name would be 3. 3. Picture box. That's all. Now, 4. Picture box. Not like this. 4. Picture box. Okay. 4. Picture box. Image should be number 4. And size mode. What is that? Size mode. Size mode. Here, auto size. So size mode, auto size, imaginary, image should be 5, and name of that is 5 picture box, 3 picture box, 4 picture box, 5 picture box, 2 picture box, 1 picture box. I just followed your guidelines, and I hope I could make it properly. Okay, just made this all delegations, and now I'll be doing some coding. When I click, it'll show 1 on the separate box. It'll be like when you click any clickable button, it shows hello world the same way. But still, I'll just
And here we are in the empty click event handler. So let's just...
Oh, by the way, let me do 1 picture box click also comes down my way. All the guidelines one. Okay, message box. So 1.
Okay, so there's our message box dot show method displaying the word 1 and of course a semicolon at the end. So that's all we need for the 1 picture box. Let's go back to the form and let's do the same thing for the 2 picture box. Okay. Okay, so now I've completed all of the click event handlers. You can see that when we click the 1 picture box, we get this message box that displays the word 1. When we click the 2 picture box, we get this message box that displays 2, and so forth. Okay, so let's go ahead and run the application. Okay, so here we get this message box that displays the word 1. When we click the 2 picture box, we get this message box that displays 2, and so forth. Okay, so let's go ahead and run the application. Okay, so here's the running application. I'll click the 1 picture box.
Okay. So message box dot show method. Message box is the variables. The method. Class method. These are the method. So I'll be just going into here. Into message box show. You don't have to, yeah, you could do that too. Just on or something, and then you click it down like this. Okay. Now here, so you do the same thing. You just copy this, copy, and you just paste it. TWO. Okay, I'll just go with this. Mm, so paste, create, 1, 2, 3, paste, 4, and that is again inverted. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Control V to do that too. 5. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything is saved. No issues found. Clickable thing. So it shows 1, shows 2, shows 3, shows 4, shows 5. So here do this. So again, let me check this. 5, 8, 4, 8, 3, okay, 2, okay, 1, okay, that's right. Okay, all is saved as clickable number images. I'll just close the solution. This is all done for my uh, clickable image solution and everything. Thank you.